actually feels like the longest time since I've sat down in this room and filmed a video, and I am so excited for this video especially. Like, I have been so excited to film this video. I feel like this is going to be probably my favourite fashion video that I have filmed for a long time. So yeah, as you can tell from the title, today we're going to be doing a friends pick my outfit / friends dress me for a week, I guess we could call it. I asked Soph, Jordan, Mads, Rach and my friend Millie to all pick me an outfit for the week from Monday to Friday. So I'm going to be showing you guys what they picked out and trying the stuff on, taking some pictures, all of that good stuff. I am literally obsessed with every single thing they picked out. Like, I feel like they did such a good job. So thank you to my friends for helping me with this video. Everything that they picked out outfit wise is from either Missguided or PLT, and I did ask them to shop at those two sites just because I have been on a little bit of a time limit in terms of filming this video, so I wanted to get some pieces from somewhere that I know I can rely on for next day delivery, if that makes sense. So in case you're wondering why everything is from there, that's because I asked for that. And in terms of the shoes are by far going to be my favorite part of this video. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys these shoes. All of the shoes are from Koi, which if you've not shopped at Koi before, they are basically an online brand that stock a whole range of shoes from trainers, heels, boots, sandals, all types of different shoes, and they are probably one of my favorite brands ever just because they are vegan, which is amazing. I think it's really difficult to find really good quality shoes that are also vegan, and they are quite affordable. Anyone that's shopped on Koi will know they are a super affordable brand, which is amazing. And they just have so many like cool styles of shoes that you probably just wouldn't find anywhere else. And I really love the fact as well, they kind of have like a staple line of shoes. So all of the shoes in this haul, or in this like styling video, shall we call it, they're basically from their kind of like signature line of shoes, I guess you could say, because they're not the sort of brand to be constantly like pumping out new launches or new pieces, whatever it is. They're really sustainable in that sense, which I think is amazing as well. They kind of have like everything that you would want in a brand. Like, they're affordable, good quality, they're vegan, so all of the leather is vegan and everything else, and they are super sustainable as well, so a really great ethical brand to shop from. The shoe portion of this video is sponsored, just so that you guys know. They are very kindly sponsored this video. So yeah, I'm going to leave all of the details to Koi down below if you would like to shop any of the shoes that I have selected for this styling video. Pretty sure I'm going to have a discount code for you guys as well, just to make them even more affordable, which is amazing. So I'll pop that on the screen here as well as in the description bar so that you can shop with the discount code yourself. But yeah, basically I picked out these 5 pairs of shoes, and then I showed all of the pairs of shoes to all of the girls and basically let them pick which style of shoe they want for their outfit. So they've still technically chose the full outfit, if that makes sense. I just gave them a range of shoes to try to use from Koi. But yeah, I'm so excited about this video, so I'm gonna get started. Thank you. I don't know like who to start with. I think I'm going to do it in terms of like brands as well. So Soph, JORDS and Mads all picked from Missguided, which I feel like Missguided is just my favorite brand ever, so I'm really excited for those pieces. And then Rach and Mill both picked from PLT, so I think I'm going to start with the Missguided section. Okay, so I think I'm going to do Soph's outfit first, which Soph is literally one of my favorite people on this earth. Like, I just think she's the sweetest, kindest, most lovely person I've ever met. I feel like she's got kind of a bit of a different style to me. Like, we wear some things that are similar and then some things that are quite different, but I really love what she picked out. So she basically picked out this little dress here, which I'm just obsessed with this dress. I just think it's the sweetest thing ever. It's basically like a little nude skater dress, I would say. It's got like a really subtle A-line, and then obviously it has all of these black flowers all over it, which are just like really pretty, like small details. I really love the fact that she's picked something that's going to tie well in with the shoes, because the shoes that she's picked out are a pair of black boots, so I feel like the black detailing on this is going to work really well. It's just got a really nice V neckline and then has little sleeves. Yeah, I just love this so much. I feel like this style of dress is so flattering, and Soph did say that she kind of wanted something that was a little bit more girly in terms of the outfit, but could then be made more edgy and grungy with the shoes. So I feel like that is like she's nailed that perfectly. And then she also said that she wanted it to go with a denim jacket, like a black or off black denim jacket. So this is the one that I picked out. She kind of sent like a screenshot of a couple from Misguided, so I picked this one out here. Basically kind of like an oversized, like grungy, dark grey denim jacket, as you can see, and it's got silver buttons, which I'm actually really excited about because I don't often wear silver jewelry anymore, and I have so many like cute silver necklaces that I feel would look really nice with this. But yeah, basically just to lay it on top of the dress, and then obviously with the boots. I really like the wash of it as well. Okay, and then these are the boots that Soph picked out from Koi. I love these so much. I feel like they're a really good dupe for Doc Martens, and if anyone's owned a pair of Doc Martens, because I've owned 2 before, and I swear to God, they're like the purchase that I regret most because I just find them so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know what it is about Doc Martens, but the leather inside and the way it's stitched is just, I just don't find it comfortable at all. These, on the other hand, are again just as sturdy, really, really good quality. I like the fact that they've got the silver detail here to go with the silver buttons on the jacket. Obviously they've got a bit of a platform, which I really, really like. I feel like it adds kind of like a little bit of height, and I feel like you're always a little bit more confident when you're walking around in something that's got a bit of a like a chunky platform. Really comfortable on. I tried these on and they are just unreal. One thing that I did forget to mention actually, in terms of the fit of Koi shoes, anyone that knows me and has followed my channel for a while, you will know I literally struggle so much with finding shoes because I have quite wide feet. Like, it's something that me and my friends always laugh about all the time because I actually have like bricks at the end of my legs, to be honest, like they're that wide. So I really struggle to find shoes that fit wide feet. These, every single shoe that I got is in a size 4, which is what my normal shoe size is. A lot of the time I have to size up with other brands and get like a 5 because the shoes are just too narrow or they just don't fit. But I got everything in a 4 and they fit so perfectly. They're really comfortable on. I just love the fact that they're not like super narrow and uncomfortable on. Like, they're just such good shoes in terms of the fit and quality. So side note for any of my wide feet girls and boys out there. And honestly, like, I just love the fact that Soph picked a dress for these and decided to get something a little bit more girly, but then add the boots to make it a bit more grungy and switch it up a little bit. Okay, next up I'm gonna do JORDS. I am so excited about this outfit, okay? I swear to God, Jordan is like the one person that she just has the most insane style. Like, I love her style so much. She is probably like my favorite content creator in terms of fashion because she just puts things together and it just looks good. Like, I don't know how she does it. It's just insane. So yeah, in terms of what JORDS picked out, she actually picked out a 2-piece off the website, and it's actually going to go with some really similar boots to what Soph's boots were, which I'll show you in a second. They're probably my favorite shoe in the haul, if I'm going to be honest, the boots that Jordan's got for this outfit. So yeah, she's picked out this, it's like a cream, it's slightly off-white. It looks very white on camera, but it's slightly off-white. It's actually a 2-piece, so this is the top. It's kind of like a high neck top. Obviously it's got a zip situation going on, which I love. And then it is also, it's got kind of this like drawstring. Is it a drawstring? It's not a drawstring. What would you call that? Basically like a pull string at the bottom to help cinch it in at the waist, which I really, really love. And then this is what the skirt looks like. So it actually has the same detail in terms of like the drawstring at the top, which is really handy because skirts are sometimes really tricky to find your size in. So you can basically adjust it at the top. And then it is quite a short skirt, but I feel like because it's a 2-piece and it's got a longer sleeved top, you could probably get away with it, or like I'll probably get away with it. She did also pick out this necklace to go with it. It's basically just like a chunky chain. I love pieces like this. Like, you guys know, I love a good chunky necklace. I love gold jewelry. Like, I love everything that is, sorry, what? I love everything that is that kind of vibe. So I'm really excited to pair this with it as well, and actually just wear this with other things in general. Right, let me talk to you about these shoes, okay? I'm gonna talk to you about this shoe because I've already tried this one on, which is why it's looking a bit messy. This boot, I just love. It's kind of like a military style boot, I would say. Again, it's got quite a chunky platform with like a really, really small heel, which we love. We love like a little small heel. I really love the detail on this boot. It's kind of more of like a futuristic style of boot, if that makes any sense. It's got this like little pocket detail here, which wraps around as a buckle. And it's just got like little coding bits on it, and it just looks really, really kind of cool and edgy and like futuristic. I mean, I just love these. I just think they're such a vibe, and they'll just go with so many different things again. Like I said, I have tried all of this on. These fit beautifully, like cannot wait to wear them. I feel like they're a very like Jordan style of boot as well. Like I could really see Jordan in these. But yeah, I'm just obsessed with these. I feel like they're kind of a dupe for like the Prada boots and like the Louis Vuitton boots as well that everyone is obsessed with. So yeah, I'm really excited to pair all that together and see how it looks together as an outfit. Okay, next up we have Miss Madison Sarah, which I'm really excited about. Again, I feel like Mads just has such a great sense of style, and just, I mean, she could look good in a bin bag, do you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, she just has a great sense of style. I really love what she picked out for me. So this is the dress. It's actually very similar to Soph's in terms of the style. So again, this is Misguided. It's also like an A-line dress, I would say, kind of like a little bit of a skater dress, but really, really subtle. And it's black with these kind of like white speckles all over. They're not really polka dots. Like, I don't know what you'd call them. They almost look like little petals. I feel like this is something I probably wouldn't actually pick out for myself, which is why I love it so much. And I just think this style of dress in general from Misguided, like also like the one that Soph picked out, so flattering on and so versatile, because you could pair these with tights, you could layer them. Obviously they're great in the summer when it's warmer, but also for like colder months as well. It's a really easy piece to just like layer and make look really cute. So I'm really, really in love with that. Shoe wise, Mads actually picked out a pair of sandals, which I don't own many sandals at the minute, mostly because I find it so hard to find sandals that fit. Like I have one pair of like Fenty sliders that, well, they're what I've got on now, like they're pretty much what I live in. And I've struggled so much to find a good staple pair of like black sandals that I can wear throughout the summer and things. These are just like I just love them so much. I feel like I'm saying that for everything in this video, but as I said, I've never been so excited to film a clothing video and like a fashion video, because I just love everything in it. Mads said they kind of remind her of like the Chanel sandals, which again, a little bit of like a designer dupe, which we are all here for. Well, at least I am definitely here for. They've got this little buckle detail, which I think is really cute, and then they are actually Velcro at the back to help get them on. Yeah, really, really love those. Really excited to pair all that together as well. Okay, next up we've got Rach, which Rach is just like the most delicious person ever. Like I love her. I feel like she has quite a different style to me, so I was really excited to see what she was going to pick out. So as I said, she picked something out off PLT. I will show you the boots that she's got in a minute. They're by far the most like out there shoe in this haul, I would say, which I love the fact that Rachel chose those, because I was really excited to see what she would pair them with. So she's picked out for me this camel blazer, which camel is a colour I don't really wear a lot anymore, so I'm really excited to try this on and see how it looks. It's basically kind of like a really oversized, like slouchy style of blazer. It's got no like padding or structure to it. It looks like it could almost just be like a dress that you tie. So she's basically picked that out just to be like the top, because on the website the model is just wearing it as if it was a top as well, tied around. And then she also picked out some camel cycling shorts to go with it, which, to be honest, I feel like it might be long enough to be a dress, but I feel like it's great to put cycling shorts under something that's like a little bit too short, just in case. She asked for a small bag, which I'm going to pair it with in the try on clip, and also some sunglasses as well, some like cat shape sunglasses, which I'm also going to pair it with in the clip. And then the shoes, let me show you these shoes. Oh my god, I just die for these shoes. Like honestly, I feel like long black like biker boots were such a trend back in winter of last year, and I never owned any because, as I've said for like the 100th time, I found it so hard to find boots that fit. But these are just like the perfect amount of everything. Like they're a little bit chunky, but the platform's not too big. They're just the right length in the sense that they come just below your knee. They've got the lace up, which is great, but they also have a zip to get them on, because best believe like undoing these laces would literally take me forever. They're just a whole mood, these boots. They just really are. So I'm really excited. I've got nothing like this shoe in my wardrobe. It looks really weird like that. I've got nothing like these boots in my wardrobe, and I'm just excited to pair them with other things as well as what Rach has picked out. So again, super excited to see what that looks like as an outfit. Okay, and then last but not least, we have my baby Mill, who, as you guys know, Mill is like one of my oldest, closest friends. Like, she is just an angel. So she's picked out a pair of light wash jeans, which are right up my street. I love this color of denim. And they actually have a little detail at the bottom as well where they flare out, which I love. I've not got anything like this in my wardrobe. I just want to say as well, if anyone again wants like a good Instagram account to follow, Millie is just like so fashionable. Like, again, she's the sort of person, she could just put anything on and just make it work. Like, she's just really quirky, and again, I feel like she has maybe a slightly different style to me, but also similar in a lot of ways. So yeah, she's picked these jeans out to go with a white top. She did pick a white top off PLT, but it's very similar to a top that I already have. So to save having to purchase another like cropped white top, I'm just gonna pair it with what I have, and I'll show you that in the clip. And then she picked out this shirt for me, which the funny thing is, I already had this in my basket to buy. Like, I was already going to order this whilst I was ordering Rachel's outfit, because I was doing a bit of like online shopping myself. So the fact that she's picked this, I feel like she just knows me so well. Like, she just knows the sort of stuff that I wear. So it's just like a check shirt to go with the jeans and the top. And the shoes, we've got a really cute pair of white chunky trainers. I feel like you cannot go wrong with a pair of white trainers. Like, they're just an essential in everyone's wardrobe. I feel like they just go with everything. They're comfy, they're great for day-to-day stuff. They're just like a good staple pair of shoes. I love the fact that they are really chunky in terms of like the platform and things. Really, really simple, which is what I like. Like, if I'm gonna get a pair of white shoes, I just want them to be a pair of white shoes, if you know what I'm saying, like a pair of white trainers. So really like the fact that they're nice and simple. They look so fresh and so clean. Okay, so that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the trend clips and the photos and everything else. Let me know which outfit is your favorite down below, because I would love to know. A big thank you to all of the girls for helping me Can I speak? Big thank you to all of the girls for helping me with this video. Genuinely has been like the most fun I've had filming a video in a while. And a big thank you to Koi for sponsoring part of this. As I said, all of the information and the links to the shoes will be down below. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. My throat is really hurting now. I feel like I've been talking for hours. So yeah, I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.